by China to ban exports of antimony in August this year has continued to reverberate across markets in the second half of 2024, with significant interest in what could be one of the most in-demand critical minerals over the coming years. For many investors, antimony has tracked under the radar compared to other high-profile commodities, but its core use case, that being a key component in military applications such as ammunition and sensor equipment, has put it firmly in the spotlight as major governments prioritise the security of their supply chains amid rising geopolitical tensions across the globe. As ASX investors would no doubt have noted, the news of China's antimony export ban prompted a surge of capital to flow into listed antimony plays, buffering share prices across the sector from producers to early stage explorers. And as 2024 draws to a close, the demand doesn't just look like a flash in the pan. For evidence, look no further than antimony prices themselves, which climbed to new all-time highs above $20,000 a tonne at the time of China's announcement, before recently consolidating above $30,000 a tonne in early December. In that buoyant antimony environment, the checkbook is open for ASX-listed players positioned to capitalise on the antimony boom. As a case in point, Larvotto Resources recently inked a $30 million capital raise to advance mine development and exploration at its Hillgrove gold antimony project in New South Wales. And as a gauge of investor interest in the sector, that raise was completed at 52 cents a share, an approximate 400% premium to where Larvotto shares traded before China announced its antimony clampdown. So among the junior antimony explorers, is there potentially still significant value to be found? Well, listed Microcap Red Mountain Mining Limited certainly thinks so. Now, we recently touched on Red Mountain's gold assets in Canada, but the company has also recently secured exploration rights for another antimony project near the northeast coast of New South Wales, in a region known as Australia's premier antimony jurisdiction. Situated about 100 kilometres west of Larvotto's Hillgrove project, Red Mountain's granted licence covers a significant package of almost 400 square kilometres of prospective ground. That includes an 85-kilometre strike extent of the Peel Fault system, an established mineralised structural corridor in a historical mining district with known occurrences of both gold and antimony. While government geological records have confirmed occurrences of gold and antimony within the tenement area, most of it remains unsampled, providing Red Mountain with an exciting exploration opportunity to start 2025 as antimony prices continue to rise. Work is set to commence with planned surface sampling and geological mapping programs in direct consultation with landowners in the first quarter of 2025. For investors looking further afield for exposure to the antimony thematic, fellow ASX microcap Antilles Gold is also developing a unique antimony opportunity at its La Demahagua project in Cuba. In recent months, the Antilles team have been busy updating their existing scoping study for La Demahagua, following the boom in antimony prices, which has opened up several new commercial development opportunities. Prior to that though, the company's forecast revenue estimates were already looking strong, and with antimony prices holding above $30,000 per tonne, Antilles estimates that La Demahagua will produce enough antimony concentrate to generate net sales, after processing and transport costs, of around $80 million per year over the forecast life of mine term of 9 years. The company is now running the numbers on a scoping study update, which could significantly upgrade the commercial potential of the project based on new interest from potential counterparties for the direct sale of gold antimony concentrate. All in all, one investment thematic is clear. As 2025 gets underway, it will be worth keeping an eye on ASX juniors with the potential to re-rate amid the broader tailwinds that have now formed behind the global antimony sector.